Right, Gurhan asked this question about pre-monetized channels and niches. So where do you find people that sell monetized channels? So Gurhan is not on this call, but I'm gonna answer this because he asked it. So I'm not sure if he's talking about just a pre-monetized channel to start fresh with, or like already monetized channels through like organic reach. There's basically a couple of options. First of all, if you want to like pre-monetize channels, you can go to the classroom section in our school and go to the done for you part and then the pre-monetized channels here. This is a source where you can buy pre-monetized channels, and it's a very well trusted source that that has a good name in the scene to like buy pre-monetized channels from. So you can go to the link in school pre-monetized channels and then buy them here if you want to and like kickstart your channel. It's at your own risk. Like it has its pros and its cons. So yeah, you can try it if you want to and like kickstart it. Then the second option is you can go to this website called Swapped. On here, you can buy channels like YouTube channels that people run and want to sell. So this one, Swapped, and then Fame Swap, you can also buy and sell your YouTube channels. So you can buy channels that are already monetized right here. And if you know that you want to do like a health niche, then you can look for a health channel, or like here a farming channel, for example. That you see how much money they made, why they're selling it. And these are trusted websites where you cannot really get scammed, because if you want to buy something, it gets put in escrow on this website. And then if they add you to the channel as the owner and give you the ownership, that is when you release the funds and they get paid. So Swapped and FameSwap are websites where you can buy and sell your channels and buy monetized channels in specific niches. And then in the school here, you can buy a pre-monetized channel that is like fresh and doesn't have a niche yet, but that did get monetized through like organic methods that I'm not sure which methods they use, but they do deliver pre-monetized channels. And this service has like also live customer support and everything. So you can do that to get a pre-monetized channel too.